Christmas in Style is the title of a new Christmas card collection from our friends at Hunkydory. Now, what is really nice is that the inspiration sheet comes with this kit. So you're going to have a lot of ideas right at your fingertips. No instructions, but lots of ideas. Okay, let's get into our foiled die cuts and the adorable scorable. As you know, these just pop right out, and this is beautiful foliage. Isn't that just lovely? Now, Christmas Greetings is really large right there, and there are in total 132 foiled die cuts. Every single sheet, and there are 10 of them, has an accompanying printed adorable scorable and an accompanying foiled adorable scorable. So there you go, just really nice. And on these kits, every single sheet is different, so you get a lot of different styles. I love this copper foiling. Isn't that beautiful? Hope your Christmas sparkles. Well, we all hope that. Really pretty and very striking. Again, a foiled adorable scorable and a printed one, all in coordinating colors. Reindeer is called a dear friend. And you can see the nesting frames will give you, in fact, in this case, there are 3 of them. So really nice. Maybe, yeah, there's 3. I want to make sure I'm not lying to you. There we go. We've got the deer, very charming. And then we have the foiled adorable scorable and the printed one just to go with it. We have Swan Lake happening. Very pretty, very soft colors, and the foiling is quite lovely in that silver. And then a foiled adorable scorable. Now notice this one's kind of generic, just means that you can use it a lot of different places. And then the printed one to coordinate so beautifully. Look at this nativity set. Isn't that rich, beautiful? The foiling looks engraved. It has an additional look for it. Just beautiful. The adorable scorable that's foiled is gorgeous, and then the printed is going to coordinate perfectly. Here we have Peace and Goodwill. Isn't that pretty? Love the colors, love the nested shapes, and Peace on Earth. And then we have the printed adorable scorable. Isn't that pretty? And then the foiled, again, in more of a generic design. Then we have a magical Christmas with a unicorn Christmas. May your days be happy, your heart be light, and may your Christmas be joyful and bright. Really, really nice. And we have it with the foiling, as you can see, hopefully, if I'm wiggling it right. And then the printed, very sweet. And then we have Riding Home for Christmas. Very snowy scene. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Have a very Merry Christmas. And then this is foiled, as you can see, and this is printed. Here we have our Nutcracker and a very fun, whimsical look. Have a happy Christmas time. And there is the printed page. There you go. And the foiled page. If you've been counting, I think this is our last one. This is called Jingle Bells. Okay, and you could use this for New Year's Eve also, and here it is foiled. Isn't that lovely? Wow, I love it. And printed so that you have a different look. So all 10 of the die cut sheets, as I said, 132 foiled pieces. You've got 10 foiled adorable scorable and 10 printed adorable scorable, and this wonderful idea sheet included. Now, there are 4 kits this Christmas in this series from Hunkydory. There's also a magazine. If you want all of it, there is a Christmas Bonanza money saver at paperwishes.com. You might want to take a look.